Here's the new batch. Neighborhood kids found them on my street yesterday, and Amanda at the shelter said they would take them if I hold them here until a spot opens up at the shelter, which of course I will. Spread out, spread out. There's plenty. Here. Oh my goodness, starving like Marvin. Cute. Oh. Oh. They hungry. They really need a mommy, but the mom took off. Left them behind. They'll be alright. They got teeth, so they can figure it out. They're so cute. Hey, Booze. Hey, Booze. Any business. Oh, so cute.